What's up, everybody? Brent Senna here with Redfin again over here at Reunion, looking at these new construction homes with Tri-Point. They've got some really nice model homes here. They do have some move-in ready stuff, but I'm here at the office, so figured I'd just show you the lovely model homes. Keep in mind, they are model homes. They can do a lot of these finishes, but some of them they can't. They just obviously want to attract your eye here. But as I said in the previous video, these start at about mid-5s and go on up. They have some that are move-in ready. They have some that are about 4 months out that give you the option to complete all of your finishes, or at least select a lot of the finishes. Coat closet. They've got some great financing incentives, some with 3-car garages. And if you use myself in Redfin right now, got the opportunity to get you 0.25% back of the purchase price to use towards closing costs, down payment. Like I said, they already have great financing to maybe buy down the rate a little bit further. Yeah, I would love to help you out on this new construction. They have some that are from the ground up dirt as well too, but let's take a peek through. Again, keep in mind, they've got a lot of nice features in here, floor to ceiling tile in this half bath. And then let's go downstairs first. This one does have a finished basement. There's a feature up here in this kitchen I really like, but finished basement. They've got, it's hard to see in there, just kind of a empty space room. You probably could have kicked this wall back further, but under the stairs, but really big living room area, even back in here. Just a ton of room down here. It's got a bathroom full with a tub, which is nice. And then this room here, which they have set up as a gym, but you could, do whatever you wanted with it. So really nice finishes. So let's head up. We'll hit the kitchen and I'll show you kind of the little section I like myself. I don't really see a lot of these, but the kitchen is gorgeous in and of itself. Really like this backsplash under the cabinet lighting. Ton of space, island here, gas stove, walk-in pantry. Oh, it's got a window in there, nice. Again, the backsplash, really like that. And you've got the dining area here, and it's obviously an open concept here. Living room, but you got the dining room here. You've got this back patio, which is nice. And the living room area, you've got the fireplace, and again, floor to ceiling tile on that. Really nice touch. But then this is the area I was talking about, this little kind of nook area here. I like how they have the seating, but just kind of a separate area from the living room and the dining room. I mean, you could put the dining there. It's got a lot of windows and stuff, but I kind of like how they have it like a little seating area. And then over off this side, you've got what they have as an office or another kind of side room, but you could do whatever you wanted in here. Pretty big room, tons of light with the window and stuff. So really nice designs in these. And then we'll head upstairs here, finish it off. And let's see. Come up here, you've got a nice loft area, really big. I mean, those are some pretty big couches. You've got, this would be the primary bed, so pretty big size here. Let's see. Really nice. And then the primary bath, you got a toilet, stand-in shower, dual sinks and vanities, little area there. Tile floor on the shower, and then floor to ceiling tile. Really nice. And then this huge walk-in closet. So and got a bedroom here. Really nice size. I've got 2 drawers there, which take up space. You could put a much larger bed than that. And Just some storage. And another bath. Just a single sink here. And oh yeah, here we go. Furnace. Got your laundry room there. It's got a sink, tons of storage. And then the final bedroom here, really decent size. And I like the windows. Look at those windows on the corner, just a ton of light inside. And then it's got its own bathroom, full bath here. So really nice. Again, let me know if you have questions on these. Right now I've got the opportunity to get you some cash back on your purchase, and it doesn't matter if it's move-in, 4 months out, or ground up. So you got a ton of options over here as well. So feel free to reach out with questions. Thanks again.